I'm gonna apply the condensed glue gels. Okay, so now it's not necessary to apply it all inside the nails if you are going to know exactly where you are going to place your crystal. You can see that I applied a little bit much, so I like remove it to prevent it flooding my crystal. Now she's staying it. I'm telling you, she's non-stop and she move. I'm so glad that I flash key it. Otherwise, she's gonna move all my crystal to north face. It's so sparkle, right?
Yes, it is.
Make sure that the lights will not hitting on that because it's gonna blink your eyes. I mean, like blind eye.
That's what makes it fun.
Huh? Mika, you going out tonight?
No.
Why, Mika?
I might go ice skating. I might go ice skating. Maybe.
I'm gonna using this beautiful square.
Daisy 120 says, I love that blue. Is that gel polish?
Yes, it's a gel polish. You are correct, babe. Okay, can I see the other hand? Usually I do two different ones, but maybe it doesn't matter. I can put whatever in there. If the customer like, I don't like it, and said, well, too late. The condensed glue gel is stick on it already. I'm so sorry. Next time, okay?
It's hard to concrete already.
It's funny if you like have a client like tell you do whatever and then they change their mind. I didn't expect.
Daisy says, love what brand if you don't mind?
The gel polish?
Yes.
Gel polish is a glitz gel polish, Daisy. Not at all. Don't mind at all.
Daisy says thanks.
You are very welcome, love. Hey, did I miss this one on your nails?
You said, did you miss it?
Miss it? Yeah, sorry. Well, I can put some precision glue gel and add it on.
Okay.
Or you just leave it as it is.
They can be different. I don't mind. You're welcome, Daisy.
Are we in the... Yeah. Right here. Here. Yeah, good. It's the best thing about condensed glue gel and no wet top coat. It's not going to cure until we are going to dry under LED lights. So I can adjusting it. Is that cute? Yes. I think I got everything, yeah? The color combination is good though. Okay. Here, flash here first. To be safe. Okay, now you're cute. Okay. Then I'm gonna add just a cute crystal here.
Very simple.
So when I share with you, when I do is one at a time. And when you're doing like a really cute, I mean more dramatic and details, and you do one at a time. But when I do for real clients, I do like this. I do like 2 or 3 if the clients have just a little bit of a cuticles on the crystal on the cuticle. I'm doing the 2-3 nails at the same time.
Okay.
So then that is will not only you get all the crystal placement, also is save you time. Not like shortcut, it's just like how you're using. Oh, I found something. I found something. I want to do this one. Look at that, Mika.
Okay.
It's cute, huh? Like I have a little drop right there from the kit. So now, if you're happy with this, is that crooked? No, straight. Have to ask the customer. Better. Okay. Flash clear this part. And I'm gonna move on to the next one. And this too, I already have the condensed glue gels, so I'm gonna finish the top coat on. It's so beautiful though, Mika. You like it?
Yes, I do.
Now I see you staring at it all the time. Hey, come over. You like? Look at that. So now, happy with this? Flash clear. And then moving on, this one, I did have a condensed glue gel already. So I'm gonna add the no wipe top coat on. And add crystal on it. This must be a cute and simple set ever, huh? Flash clear. See, so then that's why you don't have to open your condensed glue gel over and over. And then we are going to phun cure shortly. Done. Just on the cuticles. Mika, I'm gonna kill you. How many times I was saying it? You got a first right there.
Like a baby. do. The fur is attracting to me.
Probably you touching on your shirt. You think?
No, my hand was up here.
You might like slide it like this. And then the top coat. You got like, no, don't. I will get you another smoothie. I tolerate up how many smoothie I got.
I'll get you a t-shirt that says "We'll work for smoothies."
Sure. I think this would be cool. I think will be awesome. Look, that's your texting fingers. You happy with it now?
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Flash gear. Do you say like, that's it? Do you say, can I have one more crystal? Sure. All right, gear, flash gear. All right, let's show the camera really quick.